Ever wonder how companies like Google or Infosys know how exactly when an employee might leave even before the resignation email comes in? That's the power of HR analytics. And if you're into the HR or data or just curious, this series is made for you. Hey everyone, my name is Rahul and I have over 5 years of experience in the HR analytics and the data analytics domain. So let's start. Yeah. Let's make it simple. Okay, HR analytics is the process of collecting, analyzing, and using HRA data to make the better decisions. It helps HR teams move from just reporting data to solving the real problems using data. Let's take an example. Suppose your company is having 200 employees, and in last 6 months, 30 resigned. I mean, it's a big number. 30 resigned. Is that normal? Is that seasonal? Are they living from a particular department or under one manager? That's a question. With an HR analytics, you can answer all of this. Not just see numbers, but act on them. I mean, why it is important, Rahul? Why it is important in the non-tech domain? Why we do need to have an data analytics knowledge, right? So why should we care? Why should you care? Because HR is no longer just about hiring and firing. It is about business strategy, and HR analytics gives you the tools to contribute to that. So let's take a five key reason HR analytics is important. Like you can see, first, predicting attrition before it happens. Second, improving quality of hire. Third, tracking employee engagement. Fourth, ensuring fair and equal pay and linking performance to business outcomes. Well, let me tell you one thing. Your CHRO doesn't want just headcount numbers. They want insights. They want to know why attrition is rising and how we can, fix it. This is where you as an HR analytics comes in. So let's go to practical. Here are real use cases of HR analytics. The first is attrition dashboard. Who is leaving from where and obviously why? Recruitment funnel, we have source to offer conversion rates, diversity tracking where we can find the ratio gender across departments. We have engagement pulse, sentiment from survey responses, compensation insights, that is nothing but the pay gaps and fairness trends. Yeah. All of this can be built using tools like Power BI. We have Tableau, we have Excel, or even Python. If you know, obviously, if you know coding or that particular time, you can just go for it. Quick question for you: what's the biggest problem your HR team is facing right now? Drop in the comments below. I read everyone, and I might cover your challenge in the future videos. Also, hit that like button, subscribe if your company is still using boring Excel for everything. Excel is not boring. Yes, Excel is not boring. It's just that Power BI is more advanced and we can do more kind of operations in Power BI. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in the next one. Tada.